Hi everyone, γεια σας και καλώς ήρθατε to another episode of Dimitra's Dishes. Today we're making a beautiful and elegant dish made with lamb, artichokes, and sweet green peas. It looks much fancier than it actually is. They tend to be a little bit intimidating to make, but if you follow all of my directions, you can serve this to your family as a weeknight or Sunday meal, or you can serve this at a dinner party, and your guests are gonna absolutely love this one. Let me show you how I make it. All right, we're gonna begin with the lamb shanks. So I like to brown them in the oven under the broiler setting because it really helps with cleanup. We're not gonna have a huge mess after that. Just season them with salt and freshly cracked black pepper. Make sure that your oven is set to the broil setting, and then you just brown these 10 minutes on each side and they're good to go. In the meantime, we're gonna finely chop an onion and add it to the pot with a little bit of olive oil. We're just gonna cook the onions until they're nice and soft and golden. Once they're done, go in and add some garlic cloves that have been grated, 4, 5, 10, however many your heart desires. We're gonna cook the garlic until it's nice and fragrant. That just takes a few seconds. Add the brown lamb shanks into the pot with 4 cups of either water or chicken broth. We're gonna season it with a little bit of salt and freshly cracked black pepper. I did add a tablespoon of flour to the onion garlic mixture. It thickens the sauce just the tiniest bit. You can skip it if you don't want it. And if you want to keep this gluten-free, leave the flour out. We're going to bring this to a boil. Once it comes to a boil, reduce the heat to a medium-low and let the lamb shanks cook for 2 hours. So you want the meat to be nice and tender and almost falling off the bone. You can take a little shortcut, and instead of cooking the lamb shanks in the pot, you can pressure cook them for 40 minutes and they'll be nice and tender. So that's totally up to you. Once the lamb shanks are nice and tender, we're going to go in and add a bag of frozen green peas. This is a pound of them. I also have a 15-ounce can of drained artichoke hearts. These are already quartered. I just drained them and they're going to go in with the juice of a lemon. Some dried dill is going in here with a little bit more salt and freshly cracked black pepper. Some oregano is also in here. I forgot to mention that I did add oregano while the lamb was cooking. And we're just gonna cook this covered for about 15 more minutes so that way the artichokes and the peas are nice and bright and tender. Once it's done, you can give it a taste and add some more dill if you want. You can add a little bit of fresh mint, finely chopped mint, and that's it. It should be nice, tender, and delicious, and it's ready to serve. So good. The artichokes are tender and lemony. The peas are sweet, but they're so fresh tasting. The lamb just falls off the bone. This is one of those dishes that feels really special, yet it's made with simple ingredients and it's easy to make. You can take the shortcut of the lamb and cut the 2.5-hour time down to at least by an hour by cooking the lamb shanks in the pressure cooker. All you need is to run them in there for 45 minutes and they're gonna be tender, falling off the bone. Take all of that broth that they're gonna release that's in the pressure cooker, and then you can stew it with the veggies. You can totally add some potatoes in this as well. The exact measurements are on the blog, dimitrasdishes.com, so you can head on over there to print this one out. Thank you so much for spending time with me today. I'll see you all next time. Γεια σας.